whoops. The timer was still going. But I'm just going to continue. Like, I kind of, honestly, I kind of cheated, to be honest. I mean, as Decode was explaining the try and concept, he pulled up the code for all of it as well. So, yeah, ta-da. For the insert, like, at a high level, what I'm understanding is we have... Ooh. A, B, and then dot 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 said, right? All stemming from like this, kind of this root. No, there's not really a root. And let's say we wanted to insert the word apple, right? Apple. I can spell. Nice. So then from apple you'd have like you know all the different characters, and then you for the apple scenario you want to insert A and then P, right? And then so on. You want to do P and P, like a P and then L and then E. And the purpose of this try, like why the try is useful, is because because this prefix functionality that starts with. For inserting and searching, you can do that using like a hash set or maybe a hash map. One of those two. But then you can't really do a prefix check. But here you can, right? Like imagine from here AP and then you had like just E, right? Then you know for sure that the word apple doesn't exist here. Sorry, let me say, imagine we were trying to search for the prefix app. Okay, let's just ignore this for now. And we had A, P, and then under P we had only an E. There's no P available. So we know that this prefix doesn't exist, right? No prefix. No. And this is constant time, or maybe a better way to say it is, let's say O of M, where M is the length of this string, right? Whereas in a hash set or map, I don't think there is a functionality for you to actually do that. You'd have to like go through every single element, I think. I don't know. So for inserting, we I actually think we don't want to be implementing it like this. I think we want another class, try node, and then here we want children in like a hash set, I believe it was. And then here, the root, we actually want to set it to try node, like that. So now try node is associated with children. And then we come here, if self.root, if self.root children, okay, and how would I say this? If word not, or for character and word, because we do this by character, if C not in self.root.children, and that would be a constant lookup because children is a hash set. Then we'd want to do self.root children C, and then actually set another try node associated to that. And it is a word, like if C does exist, then we want I guess we like kind of go into the children. So cur is equal to like that. That feels wrong. Maybe like this. And then on the next one, so again, I'm taking the word apple, right? And if it's not in current, then we add this. Try node. And then we set current equal to current C. And then we just repeat that process. Is that correct? I don't know. For search, for C and word, the trick, let me tell you. I think it's the same idea. Hold on. I think we actually want current to be up there because we don't want it to reset every time, for every character. That's already done over there. And then if C not in cur, we can return false. Yeah. Otherwise, we go into current and recursive and recurse. Keep on going. Or recurse, or go down the tree, whatever you want to call it. At the end, you want to return true. Alright, and then starts with same thing, like genuinely the same thing. For C and prefix, return false, right? Keep on going, and if by the end of the prefix it's all already existing in the try, then return true. So let's try it out. Let's see what syntax errors I get. Try node. Argument of try node is not iterable. How do you check if value in set Python? In not so. Shouldn't that work? Or am I dumb? But it is iterable. What are you talking about? Oh. 1 minute. Oh, I think I need to do this. That's a weird, like, this feels like linked list, but in a weird way. Oh, let's try that now. P. I think we also want this to be current. Alright. Or am I just dumb? spelling mistake there. Nice. Okay, it's compiling now. Almost there. I'm not getting a false though. Hmm. So when we reach the end, there should be no children, right? Like return true if current. C. Current. Return true if current is empty. Set is empty. Python. Okay, I was just gonna, yeah, I was gonna use length as well. So let me just try that. Ah, close. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's a contradiction. Yeah, how do I defer between apple and app? Huh. Alright, good attempt. Good attempt. Let me go back to the video now.